over Mathis Brothers.
Well, Gary, right now we're passing over I-35. We're just southwest of the storm, south of downtown Oklahoma City. We're right about right at the 240. I mean, Shields and I-35 split just north of that. Shoot back. I can tell you, I-35 is a parking lot. I-35 is a parking lot going southbound all the way up north. As DJ, go to your right, DJ. Scan to your right. Go pan to your right. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay,
you're going to see I-35 here as we cross over. Keep going, DJ.
Over to the Barons game has been evacuated.
There's I-35, Gary. That is a parking lot. If this thing passes over I-35, it's just going to be disastrous.